Teresa Ivancic is a professional female bodybuilder and powerlifter. She is a fitness freak and a daily based gymmer. She stands on a height of 5 feet 6 inches tall and her weight is more than 180 pounds. She grew up as a highly active child, always running around finding something to do. She got her first job at 16 and she remembers coming home after work and going straight to her room. She would even come home on breaks and go for a run since she lived so close. This is when her fitness addiction truly began. She just loved how she felt after working out. She was on the Butler dance team in high school and enjoyed every minute of it. Loved to dance but never played any sport. Then after graduation, she didn't know what career she really wanted to pursue. Nothing seemed interesting to her at all. Her friend got her a job at a local gym working the front desk and she loved it. She enjoyed the people, the atmosphere, and it really did not seem to be work at all. She was a cardio freak then and didn't touch a weight and ate very little food. One day, she was looking throughout the Oxygen magazine and saw pictures from a competition. She instantly became inspired by the way these girls look. She thought to herself, one day she will do that. She wanted to go to the distance. She had a vision of becoming a professional athlete and possibly having the honor to step on the Olympia stage. She also wanted to own her own gym and be a professional trainer someday. She finally found something she was interested in. So she was told to go see this local trainer. She then started training on her own in her basement for the first competition in 2006. She entered her first figure competition shortly afterwards in 2007, followed by two more, preparing using tips and information she got reading magazines and the internet. She placed first at her first show, but still didn't look the way she really wanted to look. May 2008 was her first real big show with a much strict diet and harder, intense training. In 2010, she decided to make a switch to bodybuilding. She loved hitting the weight and she loved the feeling of lifting heavy. The crazy pumps and harder intense training were extremely addicting. She entered her first bodybuilding show in Pittsburgh at Soldiers and Sailors Memorial Hall and Museum. Bodybuilding has changed her life in so many ways, from the people she have met to the places she have been. She is here to inspire and help others reach their goals. She is living proof that you never really know what is possible. It is largely a matter of how bad you want it.